Peace of mind is costly, but it's worth the expense. Let me break that down. If you want peace, it isn't something you just get by, okay, let me just quiet everything, or let me just separate or isolate myself from the world. It's not just that, because most of the time when everything is quiet, your mind is going crazy, right? It's thinking of a million things. And what I mean by peace of mind is costly. You might have to spend your energy, spend your time, spend some money. See, personal development is what changed my whole life. You maybe have to buy a book, get an audio, whatever it is, whatever you're putting in your mind. You see, your thoughts create the lifestyle you live. If you live in a world is just full of anxiety for you, it's what you constantly put in your head, what you're reading, what you're listening to, what you're watching, right? If you live in a world full of depression, same thing. If you live in a world full of happiness and joy, same thing. What are you reading? What are you putting in your mind, right? If you just took 5 to 10 minutes out of your day, maybe 20 minutes out of your day, and read something that can help your life, help your finances, help your relationship, help your mindset, help your health, your life would be massively changed by an expense. So peace is costly, but it's worth the expense. Download our app Haven. You'll see what I'm talking about. Well, we create an app where it helps you cover mind, body, and soul, but you're able to elevate your life. Literally for like 10 minutes a day, 15 minutes a day, you're either listening to Aria, you're listening to me, we're working out, we're doing things right from your phone. And you see people just feel good if you're consistent. Elevating your life is a consistent thing. It's an everyday thing. I don't never stop working on me. I don't never stop growing. I'm never going to stop learning. And that's why life just goes up and up and up. My smile just goes bigger and bigger and bigger. My light just gets brighter and brighter and brighter. And it's like, man, why is it all good things always happen to you? It's premeditated. I know what's going to change my life, and I look for the good, and I'll always find it. Remember that.